Encountered a GFM file from Group File Management software? These are data files used to organize collections of files for batch operations. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these Group File Manager data files. Consider this the ace up my sleeve, a specialized program that utilizes magic techniques to properly identify and open the GFM file. I'll reveal it at the end. GFM files are data files used by Group File Manager applications for organizing collections of files into manageable groups for batch operations. They contain file references, group definitions, metadata, and operation parameters used to streamline file management workflows, including bulk renaming, conversion, and processing. GFM files use the application's proprietary format, storing file path, references, group, categorization, metadata, operation history, and management parameters. The structure includes group definitions, file relationships, and processing rules, following the originating Group File Manager application's documented specification. Notepad++ from Don Ho is the core program designed for the GFM structure. Windows cannot verify the file's internal manifest, preventing safe decompression. Windows provides only superficial insight, so understanding the data requires the correct software. Let's find the specific program that links to the file signature. Right-click the GFM file and hit Open with. Test Notepad++ if available. If not, choose a different app. That often leads to the solution. If your GFM file is not opening yet, that is normal. Before the final solution, let's grasp the mechanics of the error. Here are the technical reasons this GFM format is causing you grief. First, opening an originating application. Launch the Group File Manager software that created the GFM file and open it through the application's group management interface. The software displays the file collections with all groupings and references, enabling continued file management operations on the organized file sets. Next, inspecting file contents. Open GFM files in a text editor like Notepad++ to view the underlying data if stored in readable format. This inspection reveals file references and group definitions, which can be useful for documenting file organizations or recovering file lists when the originating software is unavailable. Finally, modern file management. Consider current file management approaches like file tagging in Windows Explorer, using tags in macOS Finder, or specialized tools like xyplorer Total Commander or Directory Opus. These modern tools provide sophisticated file organization with active development and modern operating system integration. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.